So good morning, class 6 children. Today we are going to continue chapter number 13, Fun with Magnets. So let's have a look or let's recap what we had discussed earlier. So children, earlier, day after tomorrow, and yesterday we had discussed about how the magnetic compass helps to show the direction. Magnetic compass is very useful because even in the earlier period of our time, it shows the direction to the navigators, because the magnetic needle always points in north and south direction, so easily a person can find out the direction. Even one more interesting thing we have read, that we can make our own magnet by using a metal bar. We can make our own magnet, but the magnet that is not forever, that will be for a shorter period of a time, and it can attract a tiny bits of iron papers, iron fillings towards it. Next, and one thing more, that magnet has two poles. One is south and other is the north pole of the magnet. Next thing today we are going to study about magnet is that the properties of magnet, that the poles of the magnet, either they attract or either they repel. Now we will be showing one very interesting activity by using the toy cars. What has been done in this activity, that we have taken a toy car, and in that toy cars we have attached the magnet on the top of it. See, the magnets are attached on the top of the toy cars in such a way. So four cars we have taken, A, B, C, D. These are the four cars. In these cars, we had set the magnets. We had attached the magnets. Now, with the help of these activities or with the help of these cars, what we are able to see. Let's see. And children, see on the magnet. One side of the magnet is red in color and other side is blue in color. So this is only to differentiate between the two poles of magnet. Yet I'm not telling you that which blue color is north or south or red color is north or south. We will see ourselves by doing and this experiment. So first of all, bring car A and car B together. Bring closer to each other. Now see to it in the figure. Car A has blue side this side and car B has red side. So when both the cars will be brought together, what will happen? Whether they will attract or repel? Tell me.
Attract.
They will
Attract.
attract. Can you tell me why they will attract? Yes, tell me why they will attract. Because the car A has the blue side and the car B has red side towards each other, and they are the different poles.
In a car, in a car, 1 and 2 will come closer to each other, and it B 3 and 4 will come
Yes.
away from each other.
Yes. So we will be taking the different example. If car A and B are brought closer to each other, they will attract. If car A and C will be bringing together each other, then what will happen? Suppose car A and B, they are coming closer to each other, they will attract. If car A and C, then what will happen? Whether they will attract or
Repel.
with, yes, they will repel, because the same blue color and blue color are facing each other, they will repel each other. What about the third option? Car A and D, if they both are brought closer to each other, then what will happen?
Attract.
They will again be attracting. So children, what we have got from here, that the same poles, if we are bringing the same poles with each other towards each other, they are repelling. And if we are bringing opposite pole to the one another, then they are attracting. So this you have to keep in mind, that why it is taking place. Now let's fill table 13.3. What is written here? front of car A facing the front of car B. अब आप मुझे बताइए, what can I write down here?
Ma'am, towards each other.
No,
Towards each other.
towards, move towards, away, or towards each other. Yes, you may write down. Children, fill this table 13.3. Towards each other. Keep on writing side by side. Now, rear of car B facing the front of car B.
Ma'am, moves away
Moves
from
away.
each other.
Yes. Now the rear of car A and car B, face of car B, they will move
Towards each other.
towards each other. Next, number 3, car A placed behind car B. अगर A को हम B के पीछे रख देंगे, पीछे रखेंगे तो B जो रेड कलर है वो इसके पीछे आ जाएगा. इसका जो लास्ट है that is blue. Yes, they will move towards each other. Write down in third part. They will be moving towards each other. Next, rear of car B facing rear of car A.
Ma'am, towards each other.
Yes, so children, you may write down yourself and you can fill this table. And this is very interesting activity. Maybe you all are having the small cars at your home. So you can perform this activity by putting a magnet on its top. Okay, you can play with it also. And while playing, you will be learning that how the magnets move and they go away. Now kindly underline, similar poles attract. Similar poles, what they do? They repel, and the opposite poles, they attract each other. Okay, so what we have understood from this, that same poles of the magnet, similar poles of the magnet, what they do? They repel each other. And what about the else?
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. They attract each other, opposite poles. Yes. Yes, ask. So here are the few of the precautions. Children, we need to take few of the precautions. Yes, Parnika, start reading a few precautions.
Magnets lose their properties if they are heated, harmed, or dropped from some height. Also, magnets become weak if they are not stored properly to keep them safe bar. Magnets should be kept in the pairs with their unlike poles on the same side. They must be separated by a piece of wood while 2 pieces of soft iron should be placed across their ends. For horseshoe magnet, one should keep a piece of iron across the pole, keep magnet away from
Cassettes.
Cassettes, mobile television, music system, compact disc, CDs, and the computer.
Okay, beta. So children, these are the few precautions to be taken in mind. I want each one of you to make the points out of it, that what precautions should we need to take. That magnet should not be kept near the television, music system, or CDs and the computer, because they lose their magnetism. Okay, whenever we are keeping the magnets, don't keep the magnets together. Put a wooden stick into that, or you may separate them with a keepers. We can say that pairs of magnets should be kept in the pair with the unlike poles on the same side. Okay, and they must be separated by the piece of a wood, while 2 pieces of the soft iron should be placed. Like horseshoe magnet, if we want to keep, we should be keeping like this, a horseshoe magnet. Okay, because magnetism is lost. Magnet lose its magnetism. How? When they are hammered or when they are dropped. अगर आपका magnet ऊंचाई से कहीं से गिर जाता है, तो it can lose its magnetism. So children, you can make the points. And if we are heating the magnets, magnetism is lost. If we are hammering the magnets, magnetism is lost. If we are dropping the magnet from some height, its magnetism is lost. So magnet will not be behave like a magnet. Okay, so we need to take care of all that things when precautions we need to take whenever we are using the magnets. Okay, so these are the few things. Kindly make the points over here. The precautions to be taken while using magnets. So children, this was your chapter. It's very interesting chapter, and many of you I had seen they are having the magnetic kit also. So you can make the different things, and the activity just we have done of attraction and repulsion. This is a one way of putting it on the top of the toy cars. And one thing more is there, you can put it on the suspend. You can suspend freely magnet. आप किसी एक magnet को hang कर सकते हो and bring the other magnet to it. If the same poles will be there, then the magnet will be repelled. And if the opposite poles will be there, then the magnet will be attracted. So you can do this activity if you will be having two magnets with you. So after that, till here, children, anything you want to ask regarding this? Regarding this chapter, if any query is there or anything you want to ask, you may. Okay, children, let's have a recapitulation of this chapter. If north and north pole of the magnet will come together, then what will happen?
Repulsion.
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 If north and south will come, then
Attraction.
there will be
Attraction.
attraction. So from here, you can understand that two different poles of the magnet, they attract, and the similar poles, they repel each other. Okay, one more question I want to ask. Where the magnetism is maximum in the bar magnet? Either on the ends or either on the in the middle?
Ends.
Yes, because we have done one activity that to which part the iron gets attracted, iron pieces. So iron gets attracted towards a magnet on its sides. Sides में मतलब ends में magnetism is maximum at the ends. Okay. Can you make our own magnet? Can we make our own magnet?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
make, yes. By this pressing it, we need to repeat this process 30 to 40 times. By this process, we can make our own magnet. Okay, children, I hope you have, each one of you have understood this chapter, and even everyone should know the story of magnet, that from this, where the magnet has discovered.